to this makeup tutorial. Halloween is right around the corner, and if you're like me, you're probably looking everywhere for ideas for your costume this year. Well, I'm here to give you at least one of those ideas, a creepy scarecrow. Let's go! I'm starting off first with my basic makeup, so foundation powder and concealer and all that standard smudge goes on first. Now I'm going to make some scars or stitches, if you will, on each side of my mouth using liquid latex. I'm applying a small layer of liquid latex first and letting it dry. Then, using some thin metal wires usually used for flower decorations, I'm cutting small pieces and twisting and pinching them on the middle to make small stitches. Make enough to go on each side of your mouth. I used 10, so 5 on each side. Then I'm applying this to the scarring using a bit more latex. You have to be patient and let the latex dry while you hold the stitch in place each time. If you want to use colored lenses, you can put them on now. I put on some regular green ones to go with the Halloween theme, but it's not really necessary. When this is dry, I'm moving on to my eyes. I'm making the base layer with orange eyeshadow, covering the eyelid all the way up and also a little bit underneath my eyes. Then I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow to make a slight gradient around the eyes. Last, I'm adding a little bit of black eyeshadow to finish, close to my lashes to make more of a shadow. Now I'm applying some black face paint using a bit of water and a thin brush to make some lines underneath my eyes and also to make sort of a cat eye effect on my eyelids. I'm also using the black face paint to paint my lips and making a huge smile on top of the latex scarring. I'm adding a bunch of short, thin lines around my mouth to make a sewn shadow effect. For the nose, I'm using orange face paint to make a rounded triangle. Then I use black to make an outline and adding some short stitches all around. To add more creepiness to the look, I'm adding a little bit of fake blood with a small brush around my mouth, dripping down and around the stitches. Next up, I'm adding some of the orange eyeshadow on a bigger brush and making some tiny circles on my cheeks. If you want, you can also add some brown freckles on your cheeks using a thin brush and brown eyeshadow. The last makeup detail is adding my mascara or fake eyelashes if you prefer. Finally, I'm bushing up my hair, but you can use a wig if you prefer. Another detail you can add is some pieces of straw or some autumn leaves. Just make sure there's no spiders lurking in them. Now that's a perfect Halloween look right there. And as an extra creepy detail, if you pull the stitches slightly, your skin follows, so it really looks like they're going through your cheeks. I hope you liked this video. For more upcoming content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little notifications bell. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and if you want to support my work, you can always get me a cup of coffee. All links are in the description below. Bye bye!